Hi, are you looking to do something with that car you are no longer using? Congratulations, you have come to the right place. Donating your cars is a possible process then that can significantly benefits the car charity of your choice. On the top of donating your favorite case car to charity also provides you also provide free towing to donator and maximize the value of your car donation, which benefits both our donator and our charities. Are you still thinking, well, maybe I can sell my vehicle instead? Selling your car can be a time some consuming process. Not only will you deal with calls, emails, and appointments, but with buyers who may stand you talk, not be serious, not be qualified, and then want to hang. You will need to get your car in shape to get the best prices. Visit the DMV and deal with the paperwork. If you are looking for a fast restitution solution and a chance to do something good, a vehicle donation in Sacramento can provide tax value for you while benefiting the charity of your choice. How donate a car in Sacramento? With more than 30 years of experience, Car to Charities has expertise in making vehicles donations easier than ever. Cars for Charities is designed to provide donor with a simple, fast, and secure way to donate their vehicles. In most cases, we accept donations of all types of vehicles, whether they are running or not. We process we process all makes and models of cars, trucks, motorcycles, vans, RVs, boats, golf cars, and more. Step 1. Preparing for processing. You will start the processing of donations your car to buy collection the vehicles cleared certificates of titles and registration. If you have misplaced your title or registration, don't worry, we have help. Please find your vehicle's identification number, mean VIN number, and together we can determine which supplementary paperwork you will need to complete at the time of pickup. Step 2. Scheduling your pickup. Give us a call at 8555 202100 and complete an online donation request. Our friendly donation coordinators will get your vehicle's information, and together we will decide and most convenient time, date, and location for pickup. Then we will send you an email that gives you step-by-step instructions to prepare you for the pickup. Before arriving, our truck driver will call you 1 hour before you time to collect paperwork and prepare the vehicle through towing. At the time of the pickup, make sure your title is signed and clear of any lines holdings. You will hand you will hand the title and registration to the true truck driver. Step 3. maximizing the donation. We take the reins at this point to maximize the donation for both our donator and charities. We do this by assessing the vehicle and adding value to increase the selling price of the cars. It's the situation many people dream about. A successful way to support a case you care about without the work any involved.